Welcome, my creative friends. Today we are stepping into a world of softness, color, or childhood wonder, the magic world of homemade felt ornaments. These tiny fluffy pieces carry the warmth of handmade love, perfect for hanging on your Christmas tree, gifting to someone special, or decorating to your cozy corner. But today, craft is not just about stitching or gluing, it's about creating memories. Let me take you into a heartwarming story that began with a little girl handful of felt and big dream. Once a snowy evening in a small village, there lived a little girl named Mia. Mia loved Christmas more than anything, the glowing candles, the small smell of cinnamon cookies, and the laughter entering through her teeny wooden house. But this year, things were different. Her father had lost his job, and they could not afford to buy Christmas decoration. Mia looked at the big Christmas tree and whispered, "Don't worry, tree, I will make you beautifully again." She ran to her small craft box, only a few pieces of colorful felt fabric, some buttons and needles, and old ribbons. That night she began cutting and stitching heart shapes, stars, snowflakes, all from felt. Each ornament carried her love and hope. And just like Mia, today we are making our very own felt ornament. Felt fabric in different color red, green, white, gold, needles and thread, or glue if you prefer no sew, cotton or soft filling, ribbons for hanging, button beads, lace, or sequins for decoration, cheese bells, snowmans, or even mini stocking. Pair two pieces of the same shape together, stitch around the edges with blanket stitch, leaving a small opening. Stuff a little cotton of fabric inside to give it a fluffy look. Close the stitch and add a ribbon loop on top for hanging. Now decorate, add buttons as eyes bead for sparkle or glitter glue or for a magical touch. As you stitch, imagine the sound of soft carols in the background. Every ornament becomes a teeny piece of your story. Mia spent the whole night crafting. By morning, her table was filled with colorful felt ornaments, like stars shining brighter than any store-bought decoration. When she hung them on the tree, her mother smiled with tears in her eyes. Even though they did not have much, the tree looked more beautiful than ever. The neighbors saw Mia's handmade ornaments and loved them so much that they asked her to make some for them too. Soon her small home was filled with laughter, friends, and warmth. Mia had turned her simple craft into a way to bring joy, not just her family but to the whole village. And that's the true magic of handmade felt ornaments. They are not just decoration, they are symbol of love, hope, and creativity. Each stitch tells a story. I remember that beauty does not come from money but from heart and imagination. So when you sit down to make your felt ornaments, remember you are not just crafting, you are creating joy. Hang them proudly on your tree, gift them to your loved ones, or even sell them to spread handmade happiness. Thank you for joining the story and craft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love handmade art. May your home shine with the glow of creating and the softness of felt the Christmas. Until next time, keep crafting, keep smiling, and believe in the little handmade miracles. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and also visit my channel. There's lots of amazing, beautiful handmade craft ideas and tutorial which can help you to make your upcoming Christmas event and your holidays make perfect, cozy and warm as per your Christmas event. Thanks for your lovely support. Thanks for watching my video till then. Have a wonderful Christmas ahead. God bless you all.